today, and we're going to get this thing installed. This will be an installation video. We're going to do it very quickly. It's going to get dark in like 30 minutes, an hour. Whatever. But let's get this done. I'm going to use different stakes or whatever. You're going to see how I'm going to install this so you guys have an idea, because you want to use every stake, every point of attachment that you can on something like this. Anything over 6 feet tall, guys, you really want to secure it down, right? Well, at least it looks like it's really waving with all the wind blowing at it, right? Let's get these strings down. Oh man, that is nice. That is going to be nice and held down tight. I mean, my feet, I get it, guys. You know, my feet are a little bit pulled down, but I rather have it secure than, you know, playing games and stuff. Perfect, guys. That thing ain't going anywhere. It's windy as heck out here. Like, it's very windy, guys, and that thing ain't moving. I really secured that, got that down with the 12-inch stakes, and that thing's gonna be awesome. So I am very happy. That's how I did mine. Now, I put those in tight, and then I used those side ones, guys, to direct it this way, because when you put those down, I couldn't control where it was leaning, but then you just use these ones to kind of make it lean where you want. No one's gonna notice those feet, you know, squeezed up, unless you're coming and walking on the property, which I don't want at all. And you know, for me, that's not what I want. But if you got people walking on the property and you want detail up close, then maybe that's different. But overall, I think it looks good. Like I said, I know, you know, that little bit of squeezing, but you are not going to see that, you know, from 75 feet away that I'm trying to aim. All right, everyone. So that's it for Glen Velvet reviews on what you can expect it to look like in the installation at nighttime, you know, and how bright it's going to be. Hopefully you guys can see it from Route 46 east if you're heading to New York City. It's about 75 feet away, but I think you guys are going to be able to see it. Mine's a little crushed, but that's because I want it, you know, really nice and tight, and I know this thing isn't going anywhere because I had a bunch of wind the other day and it was great. But yeah, like I said, that's about it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you can support the channel by clicking on the affiliate links below. Somehow, some way times a million, it equals up into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube, which is really cool. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you check back, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the stuff that breaks so we know we're getting good value, and also helping my subscribers out with any questions that they have on the products that I give review. All right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. Glen Velvet Reviews is out, and have a happy holidays, everybody.